Animal quiz, guess the animal. What is the tallest animal in the world? A. Lion. B. Dog. C. Cat. D. Giraffe. The correct answer is D. Giraffe. How many legs does an octopus have? A. 4. B. 5. C. 8. D. 10. The correct answer is C. 8. What animal is known as man's best friend? A. Lion. B. Monkey. C. Bear. D. Dog. The correct answer is D. Dog. What bird can fly backward? A. Hummingbird. B. Sparrow. C. Parrot. D. Hen. The correct answer is A. Hummingbird. What does a panda eat? A. Banana. B. Bamboo. C. Carrot. D. Rice. The correct answer is B. Bamboo. What is the largest mammal? A. Elephant. B. Whale. C. Dog. D. Dinosaur. The correct answer is B. Whale. How many legs does a spider have? A. 4. B. 6. C. 2. D. 8. The correct answer is D. 8. Can elephant jump? A. Always. B. Yes. C. No. D. Sometimes. The correct answer is C. No. Which animal can easily jump from one tree to another? A. Monkey. B. Lion. C. Elephant. D. Bear. The correct answer is A. Monkey. How many teeth does a shark have? A. 32. B. 40. C. 3,000. D. 4,000. The correct answer is C. 3,000. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? A. Lion. B. Monkey. C. Elephant. D. Fox. The correct answer is A. Lion. Which bird is known for its ability to mimic human speech? A. Hen. B. Parrot. C. Crow. D. Eagle. The correct answer is B. Parrot. Which is the largest bird in the world? A. Penguin. B. Eagle. C. Crow. D. Ostrich. The correct answer is D. Ostrich. World's fastest land animal is A. Lion. B. Horse.